In this video, I'm going to walk you through downloading the PFA Zone suite. Now hopefully you'll find this process to be very user-friendly as well as quite simple. And the first thing we're going to want to do is navigate to our website, which is purefinancialacademy.com. Before moving forward, you should have already accomplished your registration as well as your username and password creation and so on. If for any reason this is an evaluation or a trial version and you're reviewing this video, please skip this step as you've most likely already been provided a link to download the software. So, getting started, as I mentioned, we're going to navigate to the website. We're going to input our username and password, and we're going to simply left-click Login. And when we do that, we're going to be automatically directed to our unique membership guide. Now, I say unique because it will be dependent upon the level of access in which you have. Having said that, it's all going to contain the software download for us. So when we see this page, we want to scroll down until we see the option to download the PFA Zone suite here. If you notice the text in blue there, View Tutorial, you can click there at any time, which will open a new browser window with the software tutorial in it. But for now, let's go ahead and simply complete the download. So we're going to left click NT8 compatible, or the corresponding button in the event that that text has been changed. And it's going to pop open a new window. And we're going to simply click the blue download button there in the middle of the screen. You're going to see the File Explorer window pop up. And this is simply asking you where would you like to save the corresponding file. So in this particular video, we're downloading the Zone Suite version 3.0.7.1. and I've designated a folder named PFA on my desktop. Now, of course, this can be saved anywhere. So we could save this to our downloads, our documents, our desktop, anywhere we want, but I've simply designated the PFA folder for organizational purposes here in the video. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save, and in which case the file will be saved in the corresponding folder. Once that download has completed, you are officially complete with your download process. Now, as you can see here in the video, I am using Google Chrome. However, you may use Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge, so there are multiple browsers. However, I would encourage you to attempt to use Google Chrome or Firefox, as we found them to be the most compatible with essentially everything across the net. With Google Chrome, if you notice down at the bottom, you'll see this icon, I suppose you could call, or notification. And in the event that you're ready to install this, you could simply left click that and it would go ahead and start the installation process for you. Or better yet, you can click the up arrow and you can select Show in Folder. This will indeed bring the folder named PFA in which we designated. It will open that for you, and then you may begin the installation process, which we will cover in another video. If for any reason you are not using Chrome, or perhaps you simply do not have this near the bottom of your screen, once the download is complete, you can simply bring over a File Explorer window and then navigate to the designated folder. And as I mentioned multiple times, you will indeed see the file. So now you're ready to begin the installation process.